one of the other one left behind, who did not purge his heart in time. Cried to the Lord, but for him